Hello world, I am a tourist guide. I want to introduce you the world famous tourism spot in Sabah, town of Nongkongon. In front of me is a fountain of holy water. This is amazing water, never stops coming out from the ground. See, this is a great attraction. In this town, you don't need trees. We got a few trees here, but we chop out a lot of the trees along the road. Okay, we don't need those trees because to give us fresh air and full of oxygen, we have this magnificent fountain. So please come and visit our famous tourism spot. I'll explain to you the beauty and the specialty about this water. This is the holy water for your fragrance. You don't need to buy perfume from the shop. You just come here, bring a lot of bottles and collect this spring water. See, it's coming out of the ground. It never stops coming out from the ground no matter what. Last Monday, the 12th, the JPP, whatever that is, tried to pump the water out. They tried to stop the water. It stopped for one day, then it come back again, spouting this beautiful fresh air water. It provides you with a lot of oxygen, so you come around here, stand around it and enjoy, and you do your exercises here. I assure you, you'll get extra strength from our beautiful fountain of spring fountain full of oxygen. And maybe you can also bring your water sample, collect the water from there, our special perfume holy water, and you can bring home and put in your house, put inside your car. And I can assure you, this holy water from this fountain, you don't need oxygen, you don't need a perfume, you don't need trees. This alone provide you with all the oxygen you need. Come on guys. Okay, you want to know the location? I'll show you the location for this beautiful fountain of Pinampang. It provides fresh air. Okay, all the oxygen you need and all the fresh air. Who needs trees? Yeah, okay, all the trees they're gone. You chop down all the trees. Forget about trees. A few left here, but in the car park. But this is all you need for your daily requirement of oxygen. So come one, come all of you. Bring a lot of bottles, sample water, so you can collect this home and put on your mantelpiece. You can perfume your kitchen and even restaurants. Yeah, come on guys. You can collect it from the part. There's a lot of water sample here. Yeah, there, a lot of it flowing. All free, of course. All provided by our Creator from above. So this spring water never stops. It keeps coming and coming and coming. So I'm sure somebody told me even the fish is in the drain, and it goes into the drain and goes into the river. All the fish, they said, are very fat because of the nutrition from the fresh oxygen from this marvelous magic water. Right guys? I hope you all come visit Sabah, and please promote it all over the world, all over the continent. Come over Sabah. We got the best tourism spot in the world. That's it guys.